Well, if we were in a horror movie, we all know what would happen if I got a little bit too curious, right? So no, I'm not gonna try. So why don't I just enjoy the beauty this forest has to offer? This forest had been on my bucket list for quite some time now, but procrastination always hit me, and I always told myself, I've got time, I've got time. Well, duh, why not do it now? I'm just doing some spotting today, as this forest is huge, and it's not so far away from my place. It's like 20 minutes away by car. And this place is so peaceful. The air is so fresh, and the vegetation is just so welcoming. In other words, I feel good here. Why didn't I do it sooner? Oh, what do we have here? Okay, I accept the challenge. Well, if we were in a horror movie, we all know what would happen if I got a little bit too curious, right? So, no, I am not gonna try a single thing. Let's proceed, shall we? This forest has such great potential. There's so many possibilities here, so many ideas. And this forest is so huge, so vast. There's plenty of room for everyone. This is something I enjoy doing alone, but I know I would also enjoy it if I were in good company.